This is my hair right now. A lot of you wanted to know my hair care routine, so I was like, let me just take you through my hair care routine. So here I am. So first thing I do is oil my hair. So we need two things for that. So first we need this hair comb to stimulate our scalp, and then we need this hair oil which I always make at home. So this is like my at home hair oil. I've also shared a recipe of that. In case you want to see how to make it, you can just click on the link right here. So just comb your hair nicely with a wooden comb. It's gonna stimulate those scalp. Oil is not gonna sit on the top layer just like a film. Please don't forget your back. I'm gonna use my fingers. You can also use a massage brush if you have one, but just start massaging your scalp. I haven't applied oil yet. This is just to stimulate your scalp beforehand. Then just start applying your hair oil onto the roots directly, section by section. And then just start massaging your scalp at least for 5 minutes. Now, usually I apply coconut oil on the hair lengths. Hair oiling is done. I've massaged my hair for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna put my hair into a bun and do all the activities for 2 hours, like 2-3 hours. And then I'm gonna come back and wash my hair. See you after 2 hours. I just took the shower. I am all set to do my hair care, but I'm just gonna go sit under the sun for air drying my hair. Usually I blow dry, but today I am lacking vitamin D. So this is my hair situation right now. It's like partially dry. Then I start my hair care routine. This is my hair texture, like without any styling or anything. Before going in with the post hair care products, I'm going to show you what I use in my shower. I use a shampoo from Dove, which is this one right here. It's an intense repair shampoo. That's my second step. First step, I use the L'Oreal shampoo. Now this one is a clarifying shampoo that I use. So I use 2 different type of shampoos in the shower. First one to clean any buildup, quickly clean scalp. Another one is to add moisture back to the hair and also clean any leftovers. So it's like a normal shampoo that I use. So yeah, these 2 shampoos I use. And for my conditioner, I don't use conditioner. I use masks. It's been quite a long time since I've been using masks rather than conditioners because they are more hydrating. And you can also start applying it from the roots as well. That's one more thing that I like about masks, and it's like way more hydrating. This is the mask that I'm currently using, and I think it's definitely more intense in terms of hydration. So since I'm out of shower and this is my hair situation, so my hair is like wavy. I always keep one or another scalp serum with me. Right now I'm using this Living Proof. I have tried like all different scalp serums because I wanted to try all those serums before deciding which one I like the most. And right now I'm using the Living Proof Scalp Density Serum. And this much is left. I don't know if you can see or not, but yeah, so far I am loving the Kerastase one. I've used that before this one, but yeah, this is also a nice scalp serum.
And even the ordinary scalp serum is really good. And look at the timing. The moment I was making a video on hair care, I received a parcel of this hair product, which is again a really popular hair serum from L'Oreal. It's again for hair fall and all that issues, and I'm just trying it right now because I really wanted to try this out since I'm having huge hair fall issues in India. So this is what I do. Again, massaging is the key. In every single step you see, I massage my scalp. And that's how basically you maintain good hair. Scalp should be supremely clean. And that's pretty much it for the scalp part. But for my hair lengths, I use this Dove serum. I have recently started using it and I've been loving this serum lately. And after the second day, I also use my hair oil only on the ends, which is from Fino. And yeah, these are all the products that I use for my hair. And you can see this is how my hair looks like. It's pretty shiny, pretty healthy. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you in another one. Till then, bye-bye.